Hi, today I want to show you how to improve your camera quality to 4K. Um, this is Samsung Note 9. The camera on directly because I have a shortcut button here. So when I press the power button twice, the camera starts. So to improve the quality of your camera from HD to 4K, you need to go to setting and there's a rare video size. You click it. Um, so this is 16:9. This is the best way to record, but if you want record very horizontal, much more wider aspect ratio, you choose this. But for today's video's topic, to improve to 4K, you click the resolution and go to UHD. UHD, or if you want to record in 4K 60 fps, you have UHD 60 fps. The only issue with rare 60 fps is you won't be able to switch on the video stabilization. Video stabilization is available only for till UHD 4K without 60 fps. Let's see, even the front camera you have option of full HD or QHD. QHD is like a fake 4K, but still it's good quality. I usually keep it at QHD because if I want to combine front camera and back camera to make a video, it's better to have in QHD. So that's it. I usually keep the resolution at 4K UHD without 60 fps because I would like to have my video stabilization. Otherwise the video will be very shaky. That's it.